Good morning, students. As you all can see over here, I am with chapter 2, and last time I had explained you chapter 2 on the online class. Yes, so I will just go forward through the rules of exponent, laws of exponent. So student, if you will see this first page, I had explained you can see over here. Okay, second page. Yes, example also I had explained you last time. If you will see, yes, these are the rules. Okay, so as I can see scrolling, so you can see this page number 30. Here is all the laws of exponent. Okay, so student, these exponent rules are first, second I had explained, third also I was explaining. Okay, so let's see a by b to the power m, and over that if there is another power, that is n, then power over power is multiplied. So a by b, it becomes a by b raised to the power m into n. In same way, if you will see question number 4, it is a by b into c by d raised to the power n. So what happens? A by b raised to the power n into c by d raised to the power n. That means when there is whole power, then it will be separated also in multiply. In same way, in divide also it gets separated. You can see a by b over c by d to the power n also becomes a by b to the power n by c by d to the power n. These are the rules. Later on, when example will come, you will watch how the rules is applied in the example. Now if you will see, this is the negative rule. You can see a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n, where n is a positive integer. Okay, so you can see a by b to the power minus n is equal to b by a to the power n, where n is positive integer. N should be positive integer if there is minus n. Okay, if it will be negative integer, of course minus into minus it will become plus, so it will not be changed, then again there will not come in plus. Okay, so now 6 number, you can see a by b to the power 0 is equal to 1. Last time also I had said anything to the power 0 is 1. So now if you will see, here are solved examples. Question number 1, that is evaluate 5 raised to the power minus 3. As we know, when it is minus, then its reciprocal becomes with positive power, so it has been written 1 by 5 to the power 3, so it becomes 1 by 25, because 5 to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5, so 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. If you will see question number 2, it is 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 4, so when it becomes positive, 1 by 3 reciprocals occur, that is 3 by 1 will become, so it is 3 raised to the power 4, it becomes 81. In same way, if you will see over here, 5 by 2 raised to the power minus 3, when we will remove this minus 3 to plus 3, it will become 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so 2 cube by 5 cube it will become. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So it becomes 8 by 125. Okay. Now if you will see question number 4, okay. So you can see in question number 4, it is minus 2 to the power 5. You can see over here, minus 2 to the power raised to the power minus 5. So when we will write in reciprocal, it will become 1 by minus 2 raised to the power 5. Then only this 5 will become positive. Okay, whenever there is a negative, it becomes reciprocal of that. In positive, when you turn, it becomes reciprocal. So now 1 by minus 2 to the power 5. We know minus, if it is odd time, it is negative, and minus when it is even time, it becomes positive. So 5 is odd number, so negative sign is over there. And when we will multiply 2 5 times, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, and 16 into 2 32. So 5 times when 2 is multiplied with 2 only, then it becomes 32. So it has been written 1 by minus 32. And as we know, in a standard form, minus is written in numerator only, not in denominator. so it has been written minus 1 by 32. Now if you will see question number 5, it is minus 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 4, so it becomes 4 by minus 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, minus is there, so it's for its reciprocal becomes positive, so 4 goes up and minus 3 comes down. And as in what happens, inverse form, minus, okay, minus is never in denominator place, so minus is over here, in numerator it has been transferred, so minus 4 by 3 raised to the power 4. And you know, when same sign is multiplied even number of times, it becomes positive, so minus becomes plus. Okay, it has been shown over here, 4 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 4. So you can multiply 4 with 4 4 times, 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64, and 64 into 4 it becomes 256. So and below if you will see, 3 raised to the power 4 is there. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 and 27 3 is 81. So it becomes 256 by 81. If you will see below in question number 2, it is evaluate 1 2 by 3 raised to the power 3 into 2 by 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, so I had already said when the bases are same, then their powers are added in multiply. So you can see over here the powers are added, 3 plus 2 it became, and it became 2 by 3 raised to the power 5. Separated, then it becomes 2 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 2 multiplied 5 times, it becomes 32, and 3 multiplies 5 times, it becomes 243. Like 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 into 3 81, and 81 into 3 becomes 243. If you will see second question, it is 4 by 7 raised to the power 5 and 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 3, both are in multiply, so here also power will be added. So addition sign, and it is minus 3, so minus 3 is given in bracket, and then after both are subtracted by plus minus, it becomes minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2. So it becomes 4 by 7 raised to the power 2, so it becomes 4 square by 7 square, that is 16 by 49. If you will see question number 3, it is 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 and 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 2. So what happens? 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 plus minus 2 it becomes. So both are in same sign, so it will be added, minus 3 minus 2 it will become minus 5, so 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 5. Now when we will make it positive, what will happen? It will become reciprocal, 2 will go up and 3 will come down, so here it is 2 by 3 raised to the power 5. In same way, if it is separated, you can see over here 2 raised to the power 5 by 3 raised to the power 5 is equal to 32 by 243. Okay. In same way, if you will go below, question number 4, it is 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 into 8 by 5 raised to the power 2. So it becomes 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2. That is 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 1. And when we make it positive, it becomes reciprocal, that is 5 by 8. Okay. If you will see example 3, it is evaluate 3 by 8 raised to the power minus 2 into 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 3. At first, minus is changed into positive, so it becomes reciprocal. As you can see, 8 by 3 raised to the power 2 it has been written, and 4 by 5 becomes reciprocal, it becomes 5 by 4 raised to the power 3. So 8 square by 3 square into 5 cube by 4 cube. So it becomes 64 by 9 and 125. 5 cube means 5 into 5 25, and again 5 125. So 125 by 64. So now 64 got cancelled and it became 125 by 9. If you want, you can change it into mixed fraction also. It will become 9 1 is 9 and 3 and 5 it is 35. So 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36. Okay. So here it will not go with 4, so you can write 13. Okay, 13 9 is 117 it will become, so 13 8 by 9 it will become. Now if you will see example number 4, evaluate minus 2 by 7 raised to the power minus 4 into minus 5 by 7 raised to the power 2. So what happens? It becomes minus 2 by 7 raised to the power minus 4 into minus 5 by 7 raised to the power 2. So it becomes 7 by minus 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, and minus 5 by 7 raised to the power 2. So it becomes what? Reciprocal. Why? Because there is minus, so minus 2 came down and 7 goes up. Now what we will do, you can see over here it has been solved. That is 7 by minus 2 is equal to minus 7 by 2. Okay, so here it has been written minus 7 by 2, and if you will see over here it has been multiplied it becomes minus 7 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 4 into minus 5 raised to the power 2 by 7 raised to the power 2 is equal to 7 raised to the power 4 into 5 square. In same way 2 raised to the power 4 into 7 square. So you can see 7 square into 5 square. Why? Because 1 7 square and 4 minus 2 it has been gone, so 7 square it is. So 7 square into 5 square by 2 raised to the power 4. You can see 49 into 25 by 16. So again we can multiply it, and after multiplying you will be getting 1225 by 16. If you want to change it into mixed fraction, even you can change it into mixed fraction. So everything clearly it has been shown over here. Minus 7 raised to the power 4 becomes 7 to the power 4, because why? It is negative sign even time, so it becomes positive. Here also negative sign even time, so it becomes positive. Now if you will see example 5, here it has been said minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 3 into minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So when minus sign change into plus, what happens? It becomes 4 by minus 1 raised to the power 3 into 4 by minus 1 raised to the power 2. Why? Because negative sign when changes it becomes reciprocal. When negative changes into positive, the number becomes reciprocal. So it will become minus 4q. Actually minus is not in denominator, so it becomes minus 4q. If denominator there is only 1, no need to write that, so it becomes minus 4q into minus 4 square. Now if you will see same base is there, so power will be added, and as you can see here it has been added minus 4 raised to the power 3 plus 2, it becomes minus 4 raised to the power 5, and minus 4 is multiplied 5 times. Since minus is odd number of times, so the sign will be minus only, and it has been multiplied. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, and 64 for the 256, and 256 when multiplied with 4 it gives 1024. Okay, so minus 1024 becomes answer. Even you can check it by multiplying. Now if you will see example 6, here also it is evaluate. Lot many examples are there. If you will understand all the example, there will be no difficulty in making exercise also. So a student, evaluate minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 and again raised to the power minus 3, that is power over power. So it will be multiplied. You can see it has been written minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 3. It becomes minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 6. So it becomes 2 by minus 3 raised to the power 6. So 2 negative it will go up. So again it separated, then it becomes minus 2 raised to the power 6 by 3 raised to the power 6. So 2 raised to the power 6 it will become 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and 32 to the 64. When we will multiply 2 with 2 6 times, then it will become 64. In same way 3 when multiplied 6 times, it will become 729. You can check it by multiplying. Okay, now here it is 7 number example. As you can see, simplify it is. What it is over here, it is written 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 1. That is 2 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2 into 5 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 by 5 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 by 1 raised to the power minus 1. So what happened in multiplication, numerator numerators are multiplied, so 1 into 1 is 1 and 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 1 is there, so when it is changed into plus, then it becomes reciprocal, so 1 by 4. Now here also it is minus, so in plus, when it will become positive, then reciprocal of it, that is 10 by 1 divided by 1 by 4. When divide will change into multiply, again reciprocal will be there. 4 will go up and 1 will come down. So 10 into 4 it becomes. If nothing is below, that means 1 only. So 10 into 4, 40 becomes. In this way, it is simplified. If you will see question number 2, 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. So at first we will do the fraction addition by taking the LCM of 4 and 8, that is 8. When 8 divided by 4 it is 2, so 2 1 is 2, and 8 divided by 8 is 1, so 1 1 is 1, so 2 plus 1 is written over here, so it becomes 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. Now when divide change into multiply, it becomes 3 by 8 into 2 by 3. Okay, 2 goes up and 3 comes down, so 3 3 got cancelled and 2 4 is 8, so it becomes 1 by 4. Now if you will see Example 8, simplify 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So what happens? Here also it is minus, so when we will make positive, it will become reciprocal, so it will become 2 by 1 raised to the power 2. In same way 3 by 1 raised to the power 2. In same way 4 by 1 raised to the power 2. So it will become 2a square plus 3a square plus 4a square. So 2a square is 4, 3a square is 9 and 4a square is 16. So 16 plus 9, 25 and 25 plus 4, 29 is the answer. Now if we will see, there is example 9. By what number should 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied? So the product is minus 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 1. Already, if you remember earlier exercise, there I had explained, when the product is given and one number is given, the next number becomes product divided by given number. So here by assuming method it has been done. Okay, even you can write a next number is equal to product divided by given number, and you will divide this with this number. Okay, so let's see, here it has been assumed x. Let the required number be x, then x into 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 4 raised to the power minus 1. So inverse is there, so what will happen? When we will make it positive, it will become 2 by 1 and is equal to 4 by minus 5. This is also negative, so it will become positive. Now you will see 2 into x is 2x is equal to minus 4 by 5, since minus is not at the denominator. Now this 2 is in multiply, so when it comes this side, again it will be in divide, so it has been become 1 by 2. Okay, and 1 by 2 into minus 4 by 5 becomes how much? You can see 2 to the 4, minus 2 will be at the top, so minus 2 by 5 it becomes, since the required number is minus 2 by 5. Hope you all are understanding, students. If you will see question number 10, example number 10, sorry, after that exercise is there. Okay, here it is, by what number should minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 is divided so that the quotient is 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Let the required number be x. Here also same thing done. Actually you can do by alternative method also. By what number should this be divided to get the quotient this much? When again dividend and quotient is given, then to find the divisor, what we will be doing? We will be dividing dividend with the quotient. You can see, after that same thing will be coming here. Okay, or you can do as it has been shown in example. Okay, you can write in alternative method, you can write next number or divisor is equal to dividend divided by quotient. Okay, and you will write this divided by 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So now what here it has been done? Here it has been written, let the required number be x, then minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 by x, because it has been said by what number should this be divided. So by x is equal to 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Now if you will see, this x went in another side, so it is multiplying, and this 4 by 9 came in this side, so it is dividing. Same thing happened, dividend is divided by quotient, you can see. So it becomes minus 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, so minus 2 raised to the power 3 becomes is equal to 4a square by 9a square into x. This side one it is given and this side. So what it will become? It will minus 2 raised to the power 3 becomes minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 8. And 3 raised to the power 3 it becomes 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. And 4a square means 16 and 9a square means 81 and x is there. So what happens? Now when this will go another side, it will become reciprocal. 81 will go up and 16 will come down, and it will be in multiply only. If you will take same, then it will be in divide, because it is multiplied, it will change into divide. So here you can see, and after divide changing into multiply, again 81 will go up and 16 will come down. So here you can see directly it has been written minus 8 by 27, x is equal to minus 8 by 27 into 81 by 16. When it will go another side, divide will change into multiply and multiply will change into divide. So 8 to the 16 is there, and 27 3 is 81, so minus 3 by 2 below. This becomes the answer. So here it has been written, hence the required number is minus 3 by 2. Now similar types of questions are there as we had discussed in examples. I had solved almost all questions, not all but almost all I am saying. You can see over here I had written this and evaluate 1 2 3 all are evaluate. So I had written the question and I had solved. As you can see over here, 4 raised to the power minus 3 is there. So when we make this minus 3 positive, then it becomes 1 by 4 raised to the power 3. In same way it becomes 1 by 4 into 4 into 4, so it becomes 1 by 64. And first and last number I had made for you. I hope middle one you can make it, or in next online class we will be discussing if there will be any problem in 2a. okay, and I would like to solve other questions also if there will be doubt. Okay, so if you will see second this fifth number, it is minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 5. So what happens, minus 5 is there, so when we make it positive it becomes reciprocal, so 3 will go up, minus sign will not come down, so I had written minus up only, minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 5. And since minus 3 is odd number of times, so the sign will be minus only, and we had multiplied 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 3 it becomes 243. And in same way 2 multiplied 5 times, you can see 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, so 32 is there. Okay, in fact by taking minus common, even here also you can change it into mixed fraction, or if you will not change it into mixed fraction, then also it will be, because it is not improper fraction, because at the top there is negative sign, so negative sign numbers are smaller. Now if you will see question number 2, I had said 1 2 3 all are evaluate, so there also evaluation was there. Okay, the question was 5 by 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 by 3 raised to the power 2, you can see in your book if you are sitting with your book. And now same bases are there, so power will be added, 2 plus 2 it becomes 4, so 5 by 3 raised to the power 4, so 5 by 3 raised to the power 4 it becomes 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times, so it becomes 625, and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that means 4 times it becomes 81. So when we divide 625 with 81, we get 758 by 81. So we can change it into mixed fraction also, or you can leave it up to here only. As you can see in answer, this is only the answer. Okay, I had not matched all the answer, so you can simply match all the answer which I had solved and given to you. If any doubt, any problem will be there, you will be saying me during online classes. Now if we will see question number 4, it is 9 by 8 raised to the power minus 3 into 9 by 8 raised to the power 2. If you will see, the bases are same. Okay, so power will be added, so I had written minus 3 plus 2. Since there are two different signs, it will not be added, it will be subtracted, but the sign will be of the bigger number, so bigger number is minus, so minus sign will be there, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So it becomes 9 by 8 raised to the power minus 1. And now when we will change this minus 1 into plus 1, then what will happen, it will reciprocal, it becomes its reciprocal, so it will go up and 9 will come down. Now if you will see question number 3, in question number 3 also there is 5 by 9 raised to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 into 3 by 5 raised to the power 0. If you remember, just now today itself I had said anything raised to the power 0 value is 1, so I had written over here 1, and this is raised to the power minus 3, so when I had made it positive, then 5 goes up and 3 comes down. As you can see, 5 by 3 raised to the power 3 I had written, and this is also negative, so when I had made it positive, then what happens, 9 goes up and 5 comes down. So you can see I had written in expanded form, it is 9 by 5 square. Okay, it is 9 by 5 square, and 9, so it will be 9 square by 5 square, so 9 into 9 by 5 into 5 into, again same way here, what happens, 5 into 5 into 5 by 3 into 3 into 3. What happens, 3 3 are 9, 1 cancel, and 3 3 are 9, 1 3 is left, and 2 5 has been cancelled, so 3 5 are 15 becomes the answer. Okay, now if you will see third number question, it is minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 into minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. If you will say, the bases are same, so their power will be added. At first what I had done, I had made this positive by interchanging, by doing reciprocal, it became minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 3, and it becomes minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 2, because minus is always at the top, so I had not brought minus below. So now I had added the power, as you can see, it becomes minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5, so it becomes minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 5. Now we had multiplied minus 3 into minus 3, it becomes minus plus 9 In same way 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81, and 81 into 3 243. Odd time it is. You can see 5 number is odd, so it will be negative only. So minus 243 by 32 it will become. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 16 to the 32. So now if you will see 4 number, all questions are evaluate. If you see over here, okay, I will show you 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number. Up to 7 number it is evaluate. Of course 8 number is also evaluate. Find the value means evaluate only. So you can see here up to 3 number I had explained. Now let's see question number 4. Minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 2, again raised to the power minus 2 it is. So power upon power it is multiplied. So I written minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 into minus 2. So it becomes minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 4. Now since it is minus, I had made it positive by doing reciprocal. It becomes minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 4. Now minus 3 written 4 times, minus 3 into minus 3, and it is even number times, so it will become positive also. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 to the 16. Even you can change it into mixed fraction. You can write 5 1 by 16 like this, or even you can leave it over here. Now if you will see question number 3, it is 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 2, again raised to the power 2. So at first I had multiplied the power over power, 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 2, and it becomes 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 4. Since there is minus 4, again I had reciprocal it to make it positive, so it becomes 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. So it becomes 2 raised to the power 4 by 3 raised to the power 4. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. And in same way 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 27 into 3, 81. So now if you will see question number 5, it is 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3, okay, inside a curly bracket, divided by 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 3. So what we will do, we will solve the problem inside the curly bracket first. So you can see at first I had made this negative positive, so it becomes 3 by 1 raised to the power 3 minus 2 by 1 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 by 1 raised to the power 3, okay. So it becomes 3 cube minus 2 cube divided by 4 cube. So 3 cube is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 2 cube is 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 divided by 64. So it becomes when 27 is subtracted from 8 is subtracted from 27, then it becomes 19. So 19 by 64 becomes the answer. Now students, if you will see question number 7, it is also find the value of, okay, evaluate only. So it is 5 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1, again whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by 6 raised to the power minus 1. So you can see 5 raised to the power minus 1, it will become 1 by 5 into 3 raised to the power minus 1, it will become 1 by 3. As it is negative, what will happen? Its reciprocal will occur, okay. Oh, sorry my dear students, here again one mistake had happened. Sorry for this, might be the answer would also not match. Here was minus 1, which has not been written over here. It will come minus 1 also over here, and then after that it will become 15. 15 will go up. Why? Because there is minus 1 also, which I had been left over here. So such mistakes occurs. That's why I am saying watch my video, and while explaining in video I will be getting if there is any mistake. So there will be minus 1 also, and this 1 by 15 will be reciprocal. So it will become 15 into 6, and answer will become 19, 90, 90, not 2 by 5. I hope you can correct it in your copy by yourself, okay. Sometimes with intention also we used to do some mistakes, so that the students will watch it carefully. Simply they should not write, copy the PDF and think that no, I had made everything. After making, you should also watch video. So student, if you will see question number 8, it is 2 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 square. So 2 raised to the power anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus and 3 raised to the power minus 1. So it will become 1 by 3 into 9. So again, if there is no denominator, that means there is 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 into 9. When we add it, it becomes 1 by, when we add it, it becomes 3. Okay. When we take LCM of denominator, it becomes 3, and 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. In same way, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. So 3 plus 1 by 3 into 9 I had written. So 4 by 3 into 9, and 3 3 are 9 cancel. So 4 3 are 12 becomes the answer. So that's all, students. If you will see this, you might understand 8 3 number and 9 number also. Copy these all, okay, and correct the mistake one, okay, and try to read the text and understand the text, and after copying you try to make it once again without looking it, how much you had understood and how much you had not understood, and the question which you are not being able to make, okay, no problem, watch it once and again after 1 week you try to make it. In this way you will practice and you can succeed, you can become mathematical genius. With these things I want to say thank you everyone for listening the video, and practice hard to make yourself strong in your subject. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents. Thank you.